Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking at Home. My name is Josh and today we're going to be making some most simple and most delicious breakfast dishes to make, waffles, okay? But with the little helping hand of the Flintstones. So stay tuned for that. Guys, that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, and let's hop straight into this video. Let's kick it off by preparing our macerated strawberries, or sugar berries, whichever you want to call them. So grab around 2 cups of strawberries, take the stem off, make sure you wash them, and just slice them down the center. You're looking for a 1/4 inch cut. You don't want it to be too thin because it's going to just dissolve and break and it's gonna be gross, okay? It's still gonna be tasty, but pasty, and just don't do it, okay? I do not recommend that at all. Once you're done slicing your strawberries, transfer them into a bowl. Now, throw in 5 tablespoons of sugar and 2 mint twigs, okay? About 6 to 7 leaves should do. You don't want to use too much. This is going to give our strawberries a very nice fragrance and a very nice mild mint flavor in the very back. And if you don't like mint, don't worry, just don't use it. Now throw in a little pinch of salt, and this is going to help balance the sugars and just the overall flavor of our strawberries. Now let's start working on our whipped cream. So grab a bowl, pour 2 cups of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just start whisking in there until it gets nice and firm. And hey, if you don't have an electric whisk, I feel your pain. I've done it all the time. Hey, start working your arms, okay? Get some exercise going. Once your whipped cream is ready, just go ahead and push it off to the side and just store it into your refrigerator until it's ready to start being used. Now it's time to start working on our batter. So grab 2 cups of all-purpose flour, crack 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon of cinnamon, and half a cup of butter. But make sure that your butter is at room temperature, as this is going to make the whisking process so much easier. That way there won't be any chunks of like broken butter just floating around your batter. Trust me, make sure it's at room temperature. And now just whisk all your components together and form your batter. Once your batter is finished, just set it aside at room temperature and let that baking powder do its magic. Now heat up your waffle maker, and if you don't have a waffle machine or a waffle maker of any type, I got mine at Target for around 30 bucks. So it's not very expensive at all. Hop to your nearest store, and you don't need the most expensive, okay? Any waffle maker works as long as that, it makes waffles. As long as it cooks waffles, trust me, it's all good. Once it's hot and ready, go ahead and just throw in 8 ounces of your batter. Now I'm using 8 ounces, but if you have a smaller machine or a bigger one, just fill it until it covers the entire area. Now that our waffles are cooked, it's time to start plating. So get a plate and put in 1 waffle at a time. Next, sprinkle some of your blueberries and raspberries. Slice your banana and just shingle it next to your waffle. Now grab your sugar berries and place them on top of your waffles. Now don't let that syrup that you made go to waste, okay? Just drizzle it on top of your waffles. Place a dollop of whipped cream on your waffle. Garnish with a mint leaf and some cereal on top of your whipped cream. And just like that, our Fruity Pebble waffles are complete. If you want to check out the recipe for that awesome milkshake that I'm showing right now, don't worry, just stay tuned till tomorrow and check out the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh, this was Cooking at Home, and I will catch you guys on the next video.